Alright, one of the best things about the 51 series is that the entire motor assembly will drop out as an assembly. It's all configured together and it's held in by 4 bolts. 2 of these bolts are located here, and there's 2 more bolts underneath. There are a few things that we have to take out of the way before we can drop the assembly. We're going to start with the controller. The controller, number one, you see these 2 wires are connected to the front, so we're going to disconnect these 2 wires, which again, that's the throttle and the brake lever. And we're going to take these strut bolts out. These bolts right here hold the strut. The strut goes to the axle. There's 2 different ways to do this. You can pull the rear axle out, or you can remove these bolts and put the struts in. One thing that we need to look at out here is if you tried to take this nut off and pull this strut out, you're going to bend this strut, and it probably will hit the tire when you're done. So again, there's 2 different ways. We can take this nut out and slide the axle out, or we can take these bolts out and drop the entire assembly. These struts will pull out of the body. So we're going to do it for you by taking these bolts out and pulling the entire strut and bottom assembly out. So how we're going to start right now is we're going to remove the 4 bolts that hold the main unit in, and the 4 strut bolts. Okay, we can